National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Weber County in northern Utah, southern Cache County in northern Utah, southeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, west central Ridge County in northern Utah, northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, Morgan County in northern Utah, northwestern Utah County in northern Utah, eastern Tooele County in northern Utah, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wellsville to 7 miles east of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway to 13 miles west of Skull Valley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Ogden, Layton, Murray, Bountiful, Tooele, Farmington, Brigham City, Grantsville, Morgan, Randolph, Hill Air Force Base, Dudley English Village, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Roy, Clearfield, and Midvale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 299 and 371. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 113. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 48 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the Wasatch Front and Tooele Valley. Seek shelter now in